All right, my friend Sam, the host with the most. Where are we right now?
We are in fabulous Port Dover, Ontario. Now let me tell you a little bit thing about Port Dover. Port Dover is known for a couple things. One, the perch. If you like perch, you know what they do? They catch it and they batter it up, they fry it. Why they put the batter on it, I don't know, but perch. If you like perch, you're in a great place. Right now we're standing on one of the most beautiful beaches. Port Dover is known for its fantastic beaches here. Also, of course, it's an amazing theater, the Lighthouse Festival Theater, which I have.
You are in,
and Rebirth Hall is a fantastic production. It's really
beautiful, man. Listen, thanks for having us this week. The beachfront condo was not necessary.
No. We heard that Freddie Mac was coming down, and we said, "What can we do?" So his people spoke to my people. My people got back to his people, and I'm glad you enjoyed your stay. It was fabulous having you guys down.
Thank you, man.
Amazing.
Thank you, man. Yeah, next time, sheets on the bed.
Sheets on the bed is, we can get that.
I don't mean to be picky, but...
All right.